Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to shuffle sticky on Figma. Click the sticky notes found on lower part of your screen and drag it into the board. You can also hide the author by clicking the Show or Hide an Author. I made notes with different color and label to show the shuffling of notes. Click the add sign found on your lower right. Click Plugins. Search Shuffle Stickies and click Run. Right-click on the note that you don't want to shuffle. Then click Lock. You can see it on the upper right of your note that has a lock sign, which means the note is locked. If you want to unlock, right-click the note, then click Unlock. Select the notes that you want to shuffle. Right-click, then click the plugins. Select the Shuffle Stickies. You can also click the Shuffle button on the lower right to easily shuffle the notes. And that's it! For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!